Hello, creative peeps, and welcome to freelywhole Creative, where we're taking a little stress out of life and making beauty from ashes. I'm Liberty, your creativity coach, and today we're making quick and easy cards with printables. Now, this is going to be super easy to do. There are more instructions in the corresponding blog post on freelywhole.com. So, grab your supplies and join me on the journey. The first thing I did was get the images that I wanted, put them into a word processing program and resize them for how I wanted them to be. And I hate fussy cutting, so I took the cheater way out and I used my brother's scan and cut. Okay, I have printed out my images that I want cut out, and I want to show you how I cut them out. Since I hate fussy cutting, I use my brother's scan and cut to do my fussy cutting for me. And the images I'm going to cut out now are not the ones that are on the cards that I'm showing in this post, because the video that I did of those did not turn out, so I'm cutting something else out, but the principle works the same for them. So I turn on my machine, I line up, my cardstock has been printed out and put onto the mat, and I press the load button, hit that I want to scan, direct scan to my machine, and push start, and it's going to tell me to load the mat, and push start again, and it is scanning the image into the machine. Move away. Okay, then it says to frame the image, and you just pull in the sides so that they're outside of the image but boxed in a little closer than the whole mat. Okay, and it is recognizing the images now, and that'll take a minute or so. The more images, the more intricate they are, the longer the recognition will take. Okay, and we can see that all of the images that we want are outlined now, so we can push OK. If we wanted a border around the images, we can click here and we can have the outline shadow distance in there. I don't, so I leave it at 0. OK. OK there, and it's processing. Okay, we can see that in addition to the envelopes that I have here, it also has those words that are going to be cut out. I don't need those, so I can go here and I can select the parts that I don't want and throw them in the trash so it doesn't cut those out. So hit OK again, everything is all ready to go. Hit cut and hit the start button. Okay, now my pockets are all cut out and ready to use on a project. In the meantime, I cut my layers and my card bases and scored and folded them, and then I laid out my images how I wanted them to be and adhered them together. and my card was done. See how quick and easy that was? Thank you for joining me on our creative journey today. I hope you were inspired and that you'll comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, as well as sharing your creations with us. The link is in the website. Now, go and make beauty from ashes and be freely whole.